Hey there, everybody. This is Mark Hanover with Paradise Exclusive now, and we are doing an open house today. I am doing an open house today from 11 a.m. till 3, so it's going on right now at 193 Beeney Road, Southeast, Port Charlotte, Florida. And I am super excited to bring this to you guys because this really is, if you think about Florida and all of the amazing things that Florida has to offer and you are looking for a luxury home, this is it, guys. Check this out. Again, 193 Beeney Road, Port Charlotte, Florida. This is check it out, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, pool home with a deck, with a boat lift on a saltwater canal, less than 5 minutes away from Charlotte Harbor, no bridges, can absolutely accommodate sailboats. Let's go ahead and go on inside and take a look at it real quick. And if you'd like to get a hold of me, 941-202-1995. You can either call or text. I'm always happy to talk. Oh, I also forgot to mention there is a 3-bay garage. That's right. Like I said, this house has everything. It also has the option to come furnished for an additional $25,000. So keep your eye on that as we walk through the house. Beautiful keyless entry. Nice tall ceilings. Beautiful dining room. Gonna go ahead and take you over towards one of the bedrooms currently being used as an office. Go ahead and check out the master suite real quick. Obviously, we have a nice view out and access to the pool. Beautiful wood floors. 2 closets. Dual sinks. Nice deep soaker tub. Very roomy stand-up shower. Beautiful tray ceilings throughout the house. Well, in many rooms of the house anyway. Beautiful kitchen. Wonderful living area. Again, beautiful tray ceiling. Multiple views from here. You have the pool, which we'll head to last, almost last, and then out back. We also have a view of that gorgeous saltwater canal that we were talking about. Let's go ahead and hit a little bit of the rest of the house. To the side of the kitchen before it's another one of the bedrooms. Another one of the guest bathrooms. Hello there. Head on back to the furthest back bedroom here. Yet again, real brief look at that beautiful canal as well as the dock. Then we'll look at the last bathroom here. And we'll head on back to the back. Beautiful pool area, as you can see. Screened in. And then it is overlooking, raised nice and high above that gorgeous saltwater canal, so you can stare at it while you enjoy your pool time. with the kids or grandkids. Look at the overall view here. And then we'll take you out just because I want you to see. And there is an aerial video that I have. It is on my Facebook page. If you're watching this, you can find it very easily. There's a aerial drone video that we had taken to show you exactly how close you are to everything. 10,000-pound boat lift. Some beautiful duckies. And then there, just beyond that boat, where you see that really bright sunshine right there, guys, that is in fact Charlotte Harbor. And then just about another half hour from what I'm told beyond, the Gulf of Mexico. So this house truly does have it all. Again, roughly 2,700 square feet. Actually a little bit more, I believe it's 2,714. 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage. Again, boat dock, boat lift, pool, no bridges, completely able to handle basically whatever sailboat you want to deal with, unless you're talking about the Queen Anne's Revenge or something. And as you saw, just barely 300 yards away, we have Charlotte Harbor. It's an outstanding house. Again, we're listed at $950,000. If you would like to talk to me or arrange a private showing, please give me a call or text me at 941-202-1995. Again, that is 941-202-1995 to view this gorgeous house. If you want to, go ahead and follow the links on my Facebook page or just look up loveflrealtor.com. That is loveflrealtor.com. It is on my featured properties. Believe me, guys, it's easy to find. So give me a call, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.